Hey guys, this is Nanda from Nanda's Crafts. I'm here to share with you this beautiful inspirational words cardboard panel wall decor that I made with a Red Barrel pizza box and cereal boxes. And as you can see over here on the back, it is thick because I added several layers of the cereal boxes, and there is 3 layers of the cereal boxes on the bottom of this cardboard panel. Count with the Red Barrel pizza box, which is the first layer. So in here I have 9 layers in each side and 4 layers on the bottom of the cardboard panel. You can add more layers if you want to make it even thicker, but this is very sturdy, as you can see. And if you don't have time to make a cardboard panel by recycling your boxes, you just buy a wood panel and then you use the same idea as this one right here. So the papers that I glue on the top and on the sides of this cardboard panel is by Simple Stories. So there's a lot of cool papers in here. And it comes with 2 papers with the same design. So this is the other one right here. And this is where I got the idea from. As you can see, there is believe, faith, love, hope, charity, inspire. So in this one, I just have believe, faith, love, hope, and charity. And before I glue the stickers letters in here, I apply 2 coats of the polyacrylic wax. The first one, you let it dry for 2 hours, and the second coat, you let it dry for 24 hours. And on my last video, I show you guys how to cover the Halloween handmade canvas with the scrapbook paper and the cardstocks on the sides. But this, there is nothing related to canvas because there is no fabric. It's just a cardboard panel like this one. So I made this one with the Red Barrel pizza box and cereal box. So it's the same thing. But instead called cardboard panel, I called a handmade canvas. So now I can call this as a cardboard panel and not a handmade canvas just because there is nothing related to. I just want to let you guys know that. So now back to this one right here. I want to talk about where I got the stickers letters from. Believe I got from Target long time ago, and I love the design. Faith, love, hope, and charity I got from Tuesday Morning. And the heart, I punched it 5 times on a piece of cardstock and then I glued them together. I'm really happy with the final results of my inspirational words cardboard panel wall decor. And this is the video for today. I hope you enjoy it. If you do, give this video a like, share with your friends, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!